Oh yeah, second drone unboxing for this week. So today I got for you Parrot Mini Drone Swat Edition. Oh yeah, SWAT Edition airborne night drone. Flies smoothly, it says. Flies smoothly. We'll see how that goes. This is, I guess, controlled by a smartphone and only the smartphone, and it looks pretty cool. We'll see how it goes. Let me unbox this for you. Oh yeah, look at that. This is pretty simple. You got the drone, a USB cable, and the drone's battery. So let me take it out over here, and I'm gonna charge the battery first, and I'll be back on a review and a flight. This drone doesn't come with a dedicated charger, so you gotta put the battery in its ass and plug the USB cable into the jack and it'll start charging. The drone charging right now. You can see it's plugged in. I'm assuming this LED turns off when the batteries stop charging or fully charged. So the drone comes with some cute little stickers and this fold out instruction manual. I wonder if it comes in Chinese. Holy shit, there's a lot of... Oh yeah. It's done now. So the LED turns green when the battery is full. First flight commencing in 3, 2. There it is. I just downloaded the new app. Accept this. Okay. Oh snap! Look at that. It took forever, but I can start now. Okay. See, how do you play this thing? Okay, start. Ooh, okay. So this is the layout for the joysticks. Wow. Look guys, the controls right there. It is super rock steady. Holy crap. Wow. Look how steady that thing is. It got lights. Okay, well that was cool. Let's turn off these lights. Hey Siri, set living room dimmed.
Okay, your humble abode is ready for living room dimmed.
Hey Siri, turn off lights.
Okay, the lights are off.
Oh. Hey Siri, set bright.
Your wish is my command. Voila.
Hey Siri, set living room bright.
Your wish is my command. Voila. Living room bright.
Look at that! So you can control the stunts using these things here. That's kind of cool. This is a cool drone. Highly recommended. This is like 100% better than anything I've ever reviewed so far. For a toy drone, oh yeah. 5 out of 5. Okay, I think it's auto landing now. Land, land. Oh, there he goes. Aha! Oh man, that's a cool drone. Okay, this is amazing. It's freaking amazing. Wow, this was a cool drone. Like, highly recommended. I mean, first flight impression was off the chain. But anyway, I don't think I need to show you guys the second flight. That was freaking amazing. I can't vouch for the range because I am in an apartment. But, I mean, it's a toy drone. I don't plan to bring it like miles away. But anyway, cool drone. I guess, oh, that was fun. Thank you for watching. And if you're looking for a drone, that's the one. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is an amazing drone. Please like this video and subscribe. Until next time, peace out. I'm trying to contain my excitement, but it's just an amazing drone. I mean, first impressions and first everything is like amazing.